What is up, you guys? I'm the girl that tells you what you should and shouldn't get from Amazon, so let's get into it. This is what I ordered. Does she look familiar? I think she looks identical. Let's try it on. Okay, I'm literally screaming and crying because I have tried on the urban one. I don't have it, but I've tried it on. This is so much more comfortable and flattering, and look at how stinking cute she is. Let's just take a moment. I'm literally obsessed. Links will be in my bio. Okay. Wow.
I'm obsessed with this top. Like, really? Look at it. I took the tag off, but I didn't take the string. I mean, oh my gosh, look at the details. I kind of tucked it in. I guess you can leave it out too.
But I am the girl who might make you look because you just didn't think to put it together like this.